प्रियమైన वेल विशर्स लारा, my dear friends and मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, my dear beautiful friends, there is a secret of success in life. जिंदगी में एक ब्यूटीफुल सीक्रेट है सक्सेस के मतलब राह में. ये सीक्रेट बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं. टाइम, वक्त, समय कभी कभी साथ नहीं देते. कभी कभी अपना साया भी अपन को छोड़ के चले जाते हैं. Sometimes even our shadow leaves us alone and goes. That doesn't mean we are alone. In fact, we are with us. And वक्त, time, समय, it only gives reply. The person who poses a question can give reply. If I can put a question to you, I am in a position to give you reply. नार बोसिनोडे नीर बोस्तोडे. मतलब the person who creates a problem can solve it. And every problem is not solutionless. Every problem has its own solution. So time gives reply. समय हमेशा एक अच्छा solution देते हैं, अच्छा परिष्कार दिखाते हैं. సమయం ఎప్పుడూ కూడా మంచి పరిష్కారాన్ని చూపిస్తుంది. Time gives a beautiful, better and best reply. When time is not favorable, maintain silence. And నోరుకి వచ్చినట్టు ఆగుతుంటారు కొంతమంది. వాళ్ళు మూసుకొని ఉంటే మంచిది. అవర్ వెల్ విషర్స్ అండ్ ఇల్ విషర్స్, sometimes even well wishers will create problems, not only ill wishers. Our well wishers can solve our problems. We can sit and talk with them whenever they are free and whenever we are free. You just give communication. Don't create communication gap. It is the communication gap which is a problem, not the problem. Sometimes it is not the problem, but the communication gap is the problem. So, ill wishers cannot be communicated. It is extremely impossible, highly impossible to communicate with ill wishers. They have no soft corner for us. Why should we approach them? Why should we talk to the people? Why should we discuss with the people, argue with the people who don't have any soft corner for us? So let us be with our well-wishers and sit with them and solve our problems. Every problem has its own solution. So better to drop the bad situations, worst situations, dangerous situations, like the crackers, which may give problem to us, which may burn us, which may burn our premises. So let us drop the situation like a hot fire. If it really creates a problem to us, if it really creates something like unwanted or unpleasant scenario, like burning our skin and burning our hands and burning our premises also. So better to drop the situation abruptly, like we abort an unwanted child. Sometimes we will be having 3 children and unknowingly we become pregnant, thinking we are in the protective days, but we were never in the protective period, which we don't know, and we got pregnancy again, though we have 3 children, and the government also will not permit us to have 4th child. We have to go for abortion abruptly. So better to drop the situation abruptly if it is unwanted, and if it's not anything but problem, only problem, har ek taraf se, har ek kone se, from every angle, if it is a problem only, not a pleasant feeling, and if it is giving only problem and not the happiness, let us drop the problem. Let us abruptly drop the problem without giving a second thought. Let us not accept the problem. Let us not take a problem into heart or to heart, and just be silent for some time. Be silent for some time. And the silence also gives a reply. The silence also gives a solution. The silence always comes with a solution. Only the drastic situation, only the dangerous situation knows that silence is a solution. And recently I lost rupees 1 crore, which is my hard-earned money, which is a fair money. Of course, I am connected always with fairness. I am always connected with fairness, not unfairness. I am not associated with unfairness. Neither I am interested in that. So, since I lost my 1 crore rupees, uh, which I will get on Sankranti, but how I got it, by maintaining silence. Because I lost it and I cried, silently, very silently. खामोशी बोलते हैं, खामोशी गुनगुनाते हैं. And I lost my patience also, but I did not break the silence. Silence I always maintained. And I maintained silence till I got the reply, till I got the solution, till I got my lost money, which is rupees 1 crore. This is just happened in this year, 2021. Because it happened in 2021, I'm talking about the loss of 2021, not the previous loss, not the, past files like past loss. So organize your mind, my dear friends. Organize your mind in such a way that we get solutions, but in a very beautiful, a very fair way. There should be only fairness. There should be fairness only. So organize your mind in such a planning method. It should be involved with fairness. And anything we wish will happen. Anything we wish will come true. Anything we wish will be happening and coming true, like a kalpavriksha which is there in our mind. There is a kalpavriksha in our mind which we don't know. Our mind is like a kalpavriksha. Only thing is we should organize our mind. Every mind is kalpavriksha. Every mind is having a kalpavriksha. Every mind is filled with kalpavriksha. Only thing is we should be able to organize our mind, and we should be able to meditate, and anything we wish, it will happen, it will come. Only thing is the kalpavriksha must be having lot of justice, lot of fairness. It should not be doing any parakai pravesham. It should not be doing flip-flop. It should not be doing any theft or piracy. It should not be doing anything like dumping. Our mind is like a kalpavriksha when it is completely, totally filled with fairness. So organize your mind, and if you have time, you better watch a film, old film, but good film. Do Biga Zameen. Mausam Biga Jaye. Hariyala Sawan Dol Bajata Aya. Okay, friends. See you.